Welcome back to Him and I. Today we will be making kids coming out of the door and making lots of noise. When you're a mean lady, doing your makeup. Alright, welcome back to Him and I. Today we are going to make a vanity mirror with light up lights behind it. If you guys are interested in watching this video, stick around. Alright. I'm attempting to make a vanity, and I want the vanity light. I want to get some LED lights and have it shoot through here. And this is what I've come up with. I've done a 2-inch grid around here. So I went 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches. And then I used just this right angle, and I used that as my strip there. So I kind of was scraping away and seeing how hard it would be to do that. And I'm going to go ahead and get some of the remover and put that on there. I taped the outline of where I want the paint removed. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to try to spray some of that on there and see if it comes off. I have the Jasco Professional Strength Premium Paint and Epoxy Remover. So we'll see how it goes. All right, so let's go have at it. All right, I'm impatient. I don't know if you see me, I was kind of using the scraper and it was working really well to get this stuff off. I think we're gonna have a really good success here. So I'm just gonna keep scraping away. I'm just using a little brush, little metal brush on here. Tighten that up. And we'll see. Still some mirroring right there we need to remove. But so far, I think it's working pretty good. All right, I kind of cleaned it up a little bit more with some sandpaper. I got some 320 grit. I'm not too worried about scratching the glass because what I'm going to be doing is just putting some be frosted anyway, so scratching it is not going to be a big deal for me. So let's go ahead and just peel off this. All right, now let's go ahead and spray that translucent on there. Or frosted, I guess it's not translucent, it's the frosted. Okay, so you can see that coming through right there. And that's what I'll do. I'm gonna wrap the lights all the way inside of there and go from there. So That one looks pretty cool. Let's see if I can get a better angle at it. Oh yeah, you can see how it all lightens up. And it will be a lot better once I'll enclose this whole thing. All right, so painted this side black because that's going to be on the back side. And for the insides, I want to paint white. So I'll go ahead and do that and come back. All right, so I'm gonna be using some hot glue. These do have sticky backs on it, but every video I've seen has used hot glue. So we are gonna use hot glue as well. All right, so I was able to go all the way around on the outside, transition into the middle, and go all the way down in the middle side. And then I was able to do 2 revolutions around this side. So now we're gonna go ahead and we'll plug this up and see what it looks like. All right, so there it is. All right, so now we got the light in there. I'm going to line it up. Take the glue gun, put a bead, thick bead right there. Like it. That's cool. That is really cool. I'm really happy with that. All right, so thanks for watching the build. If you guys watched this long, you guys got to go ahead and hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. If you want to see how I made this awesome vanity, go ahead and stick around because that will be the next video. Bam. And this one also does some cool stuff. With sound. So that's pretty cool. And this right here is the LED light thing and also the sound catcher. So you can put your phone behind there, let it jam out, boom, you got awesome lights. So thanks for watching. About that one. I'm feeling blue, baby, blue, I don't know.